want you to lift your head forward. All the way up. Just your head. And to the side. Drop your shoulder down. Let it go. There's an old saying from anyone who has a spine nut at any time, meaning newborns need to be adjusted and older persons need to be adjusted.
Greetings kings and queens, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to take you guys along with me to my chiropractor. I've been lately been feeling a few pains here and there. Been going to the chiropractor for some time now to just get everything aligned back, you know what I mean? So guys, I do hope you enjoy this vlog, and by the way, happy Sunday. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. I want to take my health back into my hands, meaning like working out, self-care, eating healthier, and etc. So I'm starting here, and I do hope that I inspire you to do whatever it takes to get yourself back, to where you used to be, where your health is concerned. All right guys, so let's get right into this video. Where is my mask? So guys, as you can see, I am just here waiting. I do have a 1:30 appointment. I believe it's actually 1:05. So I'm just waiting on my appointment, and yes. You out there experiences back pains, shoulder pains, and you can always look into it, and there is hope, guys, and I'm telling you, it definitely works for me. Absolutely it does. I feel like a brand new woman when I'm done with my sessions. I really do. But with all that being said, you gotta put in the work, because no matter what we go through in life, we have to put in the work, yes? So you need to eat better, work out, stress, nah, that gotta go out the door and so forth. So I'm just here to encourage any one of you guys out there that may be experiencing anything like I am, where back pain, sometimes I get my feet, because I stand a lot and always on the go. So yeah, you can definitely look into it. It definitely works, guys. So yes, I do hope I get the chance to record my session and maybe motivate somebody out there to go ahead and do that and take our health back into our hands, because only we can do it, right? The doctors can only do so much. Dr. Esther, yes. What point in time would you let the public know that it's time to seek a chiropractor?
Chiropractors or chiropractic should be used. Even there's an old saying from anyone who has a spine nut at any time, meaning newborns need to be adjusted and older persons need to be adjusted. So yeah, anyone needs to come in and get their spine looked at and get recommendations to keeping it healthy, and that's very important.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. you drinking?
I think it's really good.
And it's how you drink your water is important.
Yeah, sip them so you told me about with absorbing the water.
Right, absorbing the water?
Yes.
You got it. And what time are we going to bed?
About, I don't really have a routine time.
That means we need to get a routine.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let's get a routine. So our body knows if when you come in and go. I hear you. Definitely. So try to get there. If you're working and everything and you come home and all of that stuff, you want to make sure you also need sleep. No matter what you do, you can do everything correctly. But if you don't get sleep, the body is going to rebel. Okay? So it's good for the body, it's good for the mind. I'm right here. Alright? Use the turmeric and drink that twice a day.
I'll be doing it just see.
Okay, and drink it. You can drink it twice a day, and especially at night, and it helps your body relaxation. Yes, ma'am. Did you do any icing?
No,
Why not?
I never thought of it.
Yes, ice. Always start off with cold. First 72 hours is cold unless you're having, if you see any kind of bone protruding or anything like that. But icing helps. 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off.
So the lack of rest can create like a lack of memory loss.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And it causes your body to be very oversensitive. It's the word, or hypersensitive to pain.
Yes.
Okay? So, I need, because I'm just easygoing here and you all over the place. Okay. You are all over the place. So you get a routine. Treat your body like it's a corporation. And then the U.S. corporation shut down at 9 o'clock. Now you can call all you want. Somebody may answer you, but they're not going to respond to you. So treat your body like a corporation. So your left side is out, and you stay short. That means your left hip is higher, so you're turned this way. Okay? Remember my whole table drops. And it's very important for getting yourself, taking care of your health, take care of your spine. Spine is your health. Posture. Good. Right there. Breathe for me. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Good. Deep breath in. Exhale. You okay? All right, baby. Lovely. Nice.
Is that easy?
I hear you. And once you take a deep breath in and exhale it, drop your shoulders down, everything. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm right here. Good. And I want you to lift your head forward. All the way up, just your head. And to the side, drop your shoulder down. Let it go. Thank you. See? You wanted to bring everybody to the table. You don't need to do that. Whenever you see people doing that or yourself, you know you're overcompensating. And that's going to cause a lot of strain on your back. Okay? I know. Right in there. Good. Could you lift your head for me? Just your head. To the side. Drop that shoulder. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Breathe. Breathe for me, darling. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Are we good? Okay. Can you turn to my side facing me and I'm over here? Good. remember, if you're not sleeping well, it can even affect your weight journey. So you not being able to lose weight and gaining weight is actually the body trying to hold and save itself. Okay? So when we get in our minds, we are what you call balance, or getting ourselves balanced, everything else is going to come off the table. Okay? But sleep is very important. Okay? That hip that you're laying on, would you bring it towards me? Thank you, my dear. And I'm going to bring this shoulder for you. You know what? Yeah. But the best position to sleep as well, your back. If you can't sleep on your back, the next position is sleeping on your side, but not sleeping on your shoulder. Okay? And bring this leg up there. You got it. Open up that lower back. Okay? Hold on to your arms. And I'm coming here. And I want you to hold me tight. Hold this arm tight. Tight, tight, tight. I want you to look behind of you. You got it. Let it go. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I hear you. This is hard. This IT band is hard. And remember, the IT band is sensory iliotibial, not information technology. But when this is hard like this, it's going to pull on the back of your lower back, and it comes all the way down to your knees. It's very important. Whether sitting or standing, it's always engaged. Okay? Turn to the next side for me. Here. Now relax your leg for me. Relax your hip. Relax everything. Thank you. Let it go. Thank you. Good. So we got some IT problems here we got to work on. Yeah. IT, these guys. Gotta work on them. They're pulling on your back too much. Okay? Let me have you sit up, but we're not doing Lazarus either. Can I do your side? Got it?
Yes.
Alright, good girl. Take some of that. I want to see when you put everything together how much more relaxed the body is and everything gets smaller. Okay?
Yes.
Alright. Deeper done. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Everything that I just went through, which was all good. I feel like a brand new woman. I feel so good. I feel really, really good, honestly speaking. And as you see, my wrap and my hair is basically all over the place. But hey, yeah, I feel good. I feel good. And for those of you who are new, I would really appreciate it if you all leave a comment letting me know that you're new and it's your first time here. So I'll definitely, give you a warm welcome as well. Okay, guys, so with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by. Blessings, more life. Cheers.